Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to upload images in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website if you're not already, and log into your account where your website is that you want to upload an image to. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here. You can manage your website. So open up the website right here by clicking on it. That's going to take us to this main page of our website where we can take a look at the preview, we can take a look at our pages, styles, and so on. So guys, let's say you want to upload an image to your website and you want to put it at some of your pages. So this is how to do it, and it's very easy. The first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the edit mode of our website. So we're going to click the edit button right here at the top of the screen. That's going to open up this section more where we can take a look at all the sections we have, as you can see, such as the footer, header, and so on. And guys, all we need to do to be able to upload an image is to find where we want to upload it. So here is our main section where we can go ahead and start adding images. And what you want to do is click the add block option right here. So click on add block, and once you click on add block, this is going to enable you to upload a text, button, video, and an image if you want. So here you want to click on image, and after selecting image, this is how to enter in an image. After that, you want to click the plus sign right here. That's going to open up this menu if you want to upload a file, browse stock images, and so on. And that's how you get started with uploading your image. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.